Today we are discussing questions and answers for Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst PL-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our question is, you attempt to use Power Query Editor to create a custom column and receive the error message shown in the following exhibit. Use the drop-down menus to select the answer choice that completes each statement based on the information presented in the graphic. Now see this section. And this is the correct answer. Our next question is, you are creating a report in Power BI Desktop. You load a data extract that includes a free text field named COL1. You need to analyze the frequency distribution of the string lengths in COL1. The solution must not affect the size of the model. What should you do? Option A in the report, add a DAX calculated column that calculates the length of COL1. Option B in the report, add a DAX function that calculates the average length of COL1. Option C from Power Query Editor, add a column that calculates the length of COL1. Option D from Power Query Editor, change the distribution for the column profile to group by length for COL1. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you have a collection of reports for the HR department of your company. The datasets use row-level security RLS. The company has multiple sales regions. Each sales region has an HR manager. You need to ensure that the HR managers can interact with the data from their region only. The HR managers must be prevented from changing the layout of the reports. How should you provision access to the reports for the HR managers? Option A, publish the reports in an app and grant the HR managers access permission. Option B, create a new workspace, copy the datasets and reports, and add the HR managers as members of the workspace. Option C, publish the reports to a different workspace other than the one hosting the datasets. Option D, add the HR managers as members of the existing workspace that hosts the reports and the datasets. Correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you need to provide a user with the ability to add members to a workspace. The solution must use the principle of least privilege. Which role should you assign to the user? Option A, viewer. Option B, admin. Option C, contributor. Option D, member. Correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you have a Power BI query named cells that imports the columns shown in the following table. Now see this table. Users only use the date part of the cells underscore date field. Only rows with a status of finished are used in analysis. You need to reduce the load times of the query without affecting the analysis. Which two actions achieve this goal? Each correct answer presents a part of the solution. Option A, remove the rows in which cells within bracket status has a value of cancelled. Option B, remove cells within bracket cells underscore date. Option C, change the date type of cells within bracket delivery underscore time to integer. Option D, split cells within bracket cell underscore date into separate date and time columns. Option E, remove cells within bracket cancelled date. Correct answer is option A. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.